Once extinct in Scotland, its cry heard no more. But in 1975 this eagle was reintroduced to the Isle of Rum, now with the most population on Mull, attracting visitors by the thousands to see this magnificent bird. There is no mistaking a white-tailed eagle with a wingspan of up to 2 metres. Some say it looks like a flying barn door. It is breathtaking to see it soar and then dive down onto its prey, spotted with its excellent sight. You can see how powerful and magnificent this bird is. The white-tailed eagle is the largest bird of prey in the United Kingdom. Most of the birds are now Scottish bred. There is now 100 breeding pairs in Scotland. It has taken 40 years to reach this level.